Here's a mounted mill tool, and it has a burnt chip, so we'll just remove these. And there's some either MOSFETs or diodes there, but basically you can see the damage. This one's busted. So that's a MPN transistor, and then right here we have a series. I believe these would be power diodes right here, because they have two legs. And it's basically the same design on the back, where you have the IRF640 N. Yep, so we'll be fixing. Luckily for me, I actually have a whole bunch. I ordered a whole bunch of power MOSFETs here. These are 640. So here's the data sheet. It's they're a power MOSFET. Let's see here. It's an N-channel MOSFET. The gate is plus minus 20 volts. It can do it can drive 200 volts. So it looks fine. Yeah. Diode mode. Yeah, so these are the diodes, and you get 0.4 voltage forward voltage, and these ones are all good. And then for the 0.5, yeah, this one's busted. We should get 0.5, but no. Oh, we have a bad one right here too. So, let me see. Yeah, it's measuring the same. It also has a heat sink, and that also so that the drain doesn't short out on the heat sink.